Good morning. I am Dr. Ramesh Kumar Varma from National Heart Institute Diabetic Clinic. Welcomes all my seniors, juniors and all my patients who are diabetic and following my OPD. When we say diabetic, you become afraid. Yes, diabetes is a metabolic disease. It has its own complications. It is a metabolic disorder which needs a very careful approach to manage the diabetes and avoid the complication. Diabetes does not mean end of the sweets in your life. If you follow your lifestyle, your medicine, your diet and your doctor's advice, you can avoid the complications time to time. What I suggest, don't be afraid that you are diabetic. With the diabetes, you can live healthy, perfect, active life. You are not alone. In the world, there are 580 million people who are diabetics. Out of that, 100 million people are in India only. And there is a huge number of the patients who are diabetic but they are not knowing. I will request my all seniors, juniors, colleagues to teach them, do the awareness camp, give them different tips to see the diabetes and manage. Managing the diabetes will avoid the complications. If you are regularly following your doctor, time to time he can tell you what are the complications coming and what precautions you can take. Thank you.